Hello, today I'm going to show you how to repair damaged carpet edges on the stairs. As you can see, it's in quite bad condition. And what we're going to use is stairs nosing strips. They come pre-cut and pre-drilled, so you only need to put them in the stairs basically. What we're going to need basically is going to need 3 screws and a Phillips screwdriver. With that, we'll be able to fix it. So I'm going to proceed now to do it. I'll show you the result in a second. So we take one and we go for the top one. Make it fit. First screw. Okay. So that is done. You can see we fit the 5 steps and the wall stairs look straight away so much better, and it's so much safer also to use because this is non-slip. So this is anti-slip, so you can use it on a more safe way. Well, hope this video has helped you, and if you like it, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.